CRO Price Prediction 2025. Hey there, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about cryptocurrencies. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. The native token of the Crypto.com exchange, Crypto.com Coin, CRO, is a flexible cryptocurrency designed for use in payments. It provides a bonus that enables companies to take the cryptocurrency but get payments in stablecoin or flat cash, removing the volatility risk of taking the crypto as payment. As a prudent trader, one benefits from the following while trading at Crypto.com Coin Price Prediction. Throughout the year, advisors and consultants will come to your rescue from misleading forecasts and trends. The benefits of enrolling in a trading course include a thorough understanding of the process and reading a technical analysis of the market cap. Trading Clever Lines offer 24-hour support at any time you need to purchase cryptocurrency or other services, as well as a dedicated website for traders. Historical data for Crypto.com, CRO. Chris Marszalek, Rafael Mello, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao established Crypto.com in June 2016. Previously, it was known as Monaco Technologies GmbH. Then, on December 25, 2021, the Los Angeles Lakers historic stadium was renamed Crypto.com, according to the latest news and market cap updates. The Crypto.com coin, CRO, is now trading at about 0.4959. with a market value of $12,527,764,475 and a 24-hour trading volume of $300,348,531. The circulating quantity of Crypto.com currency CRO is $25,263,013,692,000 CRO, emphasizing the token's promising potential in the following years by establishing a solid presence. What has to be noted here is that the Crypto.com coin price has been static and sluggish in the market cap since its start, as though driven by volatility tendencies with no ray of hope for investors to trade. Although there were significant price fluctuations and advancements in blockchain technology, this asset remained apathetic, unwilling to move an inch, and in decline mode. The data indicates that the value of the CRO coin price forecast did not rise over 0.27 cents per coin to stimulate CRO trading in the crypto market. Then, as if a volcano erupted, the currency swept through a slew of other rivals, rising to 0.17 cents in a matter of months last year. A boom period, or the bull pushing the CRO price chase, began in February 2021. When the Crypto.com coin price increased to 0.22 cents per transaction. After mid-April, the CRO price proceeded to drop downward and subsequently traded in a range-bound zone until October 2021. Following that, it recovered its lost velocity and displayed an incredible burst. The price of CRO tokens reached an all-time high of 0.9698 on November 24, 2021. However, it saw a precipitous decline in December, falling below its prior support level of 0.5. At that time, investors did so at their own risk. Later in the day, the Crypto.com coin price recovered momentum, but could not hold above 0.6 and retested the 0.5 threshold. According to the cryptocurrency forecast, this negative trend has continued for Crypto.com coin. And now, let us make the price prediction. Just a quick reminder, we are not financial consultants, and before you invest in any of the crypto coins, do your extensive research. Current market situation for Crypto.com, CRO. CRO trades at 0.45 cents as of the time of writing this Crypto.com, CRO Price Research, with a 24-hour trading volume of 473,677,457. In the previous 24 hours, the price of CRO has climbed by 1.87%. Additionally, CRO now has a circulating supply of 25.26 billion CRO. OKEX, CoinTiger, Huobi Global, FTX, and Upbit are currently the major cryptocurrency exchange for CRO. Now, let's continue with the following section of this CRO price forecast for 2021. CRO Price Predictions 2022 to 2026. Much can be stated about Crypto.com CRO pricing, collaborations, and corporate responsibility aspects that are known to influence the crypto CRO price forecast soon. Crypto.com just obtained a financial services license in Australia. Additionally, it has formed a $200 million fund for cryptocurrency businesses aggressively. Additionally, the Crypto.com exchange has created an NFT platform. Crypto.com, a prediction market, has also established a similar platform. The NBA Lakers played at the arena for the first time on Christmas Day under the new moniker Crypto.com Arena, with the CRO coin reaching all-time highs after the deal's announcement. Many investors predicted more gains in the last month of 2021. The crypto market shifted in favor, and this digital asset's price, Crypto.com coin, was poised to shatter all boundaries and perform exuberantly, reaching the top mentioned above. Over the following year, if it surpasses all constraints, it will undoubtedly show indicators of fortune for its traders. The CRO coin price forecast, backed by solid, intelligent contracts, effortlessly reached 0.5545 in the previous year. Let's look at the future price of the Crypto.com coin, how to purchase CRO tokens, and if it's worthwhile to invest in the Crypto.com coin. The following are the price forecasts. Forecast for CROs in 2022. According to CRO Price Prediction, the predicted CRO price in 2022 will vary between an expected low of 0.4 and a high of 0.67. The average price of a digital token will be roughly 0.59 in Q1, 0.57 in Q2, 0.65 in Q3, and 0.56 in Q4 of 2022. Given the absence of any abrupt shocks or a rocky road ahead for the cryptocurrency market, the CRO forecast is all ready to display a positive sign, reiterating its solid position as a significant draw for its investor community. The road ahead is paved with petals, provided investor confidence continues to soar, resulting in a significant push to the price, allowing it to scale 0.99. As of today, the current price represents an attractive rate of return. Others suggest that Crypto.com will hit 0.9704 by the end of 2022 if the current positive trend continues. Additionally, the first half of 2022 will steadily increase, reaching 0.5538 at resistance 2. CRO will then climb, but no significant declines are anticipated. With impending collaborations and advancements hitting $3 is an ambitious price target but unquestionably achievable shortly. CRO Price Forecast 2023. CRO has developed a fast, dependable network and focuses on the product's user experience through algorithm computation. These characteristics may contribute to the CRO coin prediction, achieving a greater $1 per coin. If the push for available cryptocurrency pricing continues in 2023, the price may even see a paradigm shift, as predicted by our Crypto.com CRO price forecast. Again, if CRO's Relative Strength Index, RSI, is over 60 in 2022, indicating that a strong rally is set to begin as more buyers join the market, the likelihood of it hitting 1.3 by the end of 2023 has shrunk. CRO Price Forecast 2024. There are numerous speculations regarding the future price of Crypto.com. Considering the Crypto.com projection, the technical announcements, and the advancements the firm intends to make, there are estimates that the coin's price will reach 1.5, making it beneficial for coin users. According to the platform's newest upgrades, improvements, CRO price projection, and new project estimates, CRO investors may anticipate several collaborations and integrations around 2024. Additionally, this might enhance the price of CRO on the cryptocurrency market, putting it on the list of the most significant investments, as the price could skyrocket to approximately $3. CRO Price Forecast 2025. According to our prognosis for the 2025 price trend, the Crypto.com Coin Price Prediction, CRO, is also involved in community projects, emphasizing education, outreach, and innovation, which might push the coin price prediction beyond the 1.82 resistance level. The token is expected to catch up with other cryptocurrencies, and the CRO Price Forecast 2025 will stabilize to provide its consumers with solid returns. CRO's price might also soar to $8 in the next 4 years. However, CRO may not have a tough time hitting this level if additional medium, short-term, and long-term price goals are identified for buy or sell orders. This means that CRO has a good chance of exceeding the previous ATH in the next 5 years as predicted. CRO Price Prediction 2026. Based on our projection and the current happenings, the trend continues to climb. There is a strong likelihood that the coin price may raise to 2.1 in 2026. By 2026, the price of CRO will reach $15 as more people understand cryptocurrencies, resulting in more investment in the sector. From 2022 to 2026, I would argue that CRO has a bright future ahead of it. We might see CRO reach new heights with continued advances within the CRO ecosystem and the broader cryptocurrency industry. Meanwhile, our long-term forecast for the CRO price in 2022 is optimistic. Additionally, it has a good chance of exceeding 0.5538 and maybe reaching 0.9704 this year. That, however, will only occur if it overcomes several psychological impediments. As said before, CRO may even reach $3 if investors determine that CRO, along with popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is a solid investment in 2022.